Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights. Together, I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you. So let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic, keywords in digital marketing. Certainly, here are some keyword suggestions related to digital marketing, along with tips for effectively using them. 1. Search engine optimization. SEO keywords. Tips: use long-tail keywords specific to your niche to target a more relevant audience. Consider including location-based keywords if applicable. 2. Social media marketing keywords. Tips: incorporate popular hashtags related to your industry or campaign. Use keywords that reflect trending topics or conversations in your social media posts. 3. Content marketing keywords. Tips: focus on keywords related to your content's topic or target audience's interests. Use tools like Google Trends or Bootsumo to find trending topics and relevant keywords. 4. Email marketing keywords. Tips include action-oriented keywords like subscribe, free, or exclusive to encourage engagement. Personalize email subject lines with recipient's name or location for better open rates. 5. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising keywords. Tips: use keywords research tools like Google Keywords Planner or SEMrush to identify high-converting keywords with low competition. Experiment with different match types, broad, phrase, exact to refine. Targeting. 6. Digital advertising keywords. Tips: tailor keywords to specific platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or LinkedIn Ads. Consider including adjectives or qualifiers to target a specific audience segment. 7. Influencer marketing keywords. Tips include keywords related to your industry or niche alongside terms like influencer, brand collaboration, or sponsored post. Research popular influencers in your industry to identify relevant keywords. 8. Video marketing keywords. Tips: use descriptive keywords in video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility on platforms like YouTube. Incorporate trending topics or keywords related to popular search queries. 9. Analytics and data keywords. Tips include keywords related to analytics tools, for example, Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, or data analysis techniques, for example, A or B testing, conversion tracking. Focus on keywords that reflect your audience's pain points or interests. 10. Mobile marketing keywords. Tips: target keywords related to mobile devices, apps, or mobile specific strategies like geolocation, targeting, or mobile app optimization, ASO. Consider including terms like near me or on the go. Remember to continuously monitor and analyze the performance of your chosen keywords, adjusting your strategy as needed based on metrics like search volume, competition, and conversion rates. Additionally, prioritize providing valuable and relevant content to your audience, as this will ultimately drive engagement and conversions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.